and be critical of your work always. Critical not in the sense of a negative way, but analyzing it and see assessment, like assess your work and see what you need to do. But then also at the same time, have a, at a certain point that you're gonna say, okay, that's good enough, right? You decide to stop fiddling with something and just move on. Also because the fact is this, with charcoal, you can really keep changing it even later on, right? Even later on. Now here, I'm trying to block in the shadow mass, so again, as I said, very essential, right? But now we get into this area here. So this is all open form. This is all open form. So this shadow here will, from here, I have the line here. I don't want to stop at the chin. I keep going down. I'm gonna bathe that few sheets of paper under, so that it kind of soften up the rigidity of the board. If you have a piece of hard table, the mark is going to be, I don't know, it's going to be harder, and it's unfriendly, let's say, right? The way you feel some harshness, and having something that soften up this contact between charcoal and paper helps with creating maybe softer marks, right? And it's also more pleasant to work like that. So working that in here, right? Just come down like that, this little bump here, and then I have this little rhomboid shape here, like this, right? See this rhomboid here, right? And that is now the negative space. We were blocking in the main volume, etc. We do not want to worry about the detail, because the detail will. We need to understand the whole form and the harmony between the parts. If we focus on the detail, we lose that right away. Just so easy to lose it. Let's block in now. Let's move down, right? Move down in this area here. So maybe we can go back to this portion on the chin. So this needs to be darker. This needs to be darker, right? The core shadow. See that how dark that is, right? It's very dark here. See that how this area here is a little bit dark, needs to be darker here.